What's going on, everyone? Let's get some levels for tomorrow to make sure we're ready for tomorrow's price action. So today was a little bit consolidating. Is that even a word? But what we're looking at here is the 1 hour time frame. And on this 1 hour time frame, the reason why we're looking at it is because we've got some levels here. You guys may have mentioned, or not mentioned, I may have mentioned, about a week or two ago, the key levels are big macro key levels. Well, I haven't really talked about them lately because there's not much to talk about. Our big supply level to the top side is 22,326. Our demand level to the downside is 20,944. And if you kind of look at where we've been for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, ever since breaking that 20,944, we've been in a period of distribution. If you guys don't know what distribution is, okay, distribution happens at least once a month for a span of 3 to 5 days. It can definitely go longer, and the longer it goes, the bigger the move is going to be. Okay, so when you have a bigger move coming out of distribution, you 100,000% want to be on that side. So what we're looking at here, I'm going to take this one off because this is irrelevant. Should I take it off? Yeah, let's take it off. What we're looking at in terms of coming out of this distribution might be if we get a break over this high right here. Okay, 21,571. If we start to get out of 21,571, we might be on an upward path to this 22,326. Okay, maybe. Now to the downside, I can remove this. This is from intraday. To the downside, we've got some support sitting at 21,100. That's your daily 10 SMA. And then we've got some support a little bit below that. Let me take this off. A little bit below that at 20,944. Now, before we get to 20,944, you're going to see how this daily 10 is literally, okay, literally matching up with the overnight lows from yesterday. Okay, so this is spot on. So these two areas are acting as confluence. If we pull down into this area, I would expect the market to kind of curl up and bounce on that first attempt. So make sure that we're kind of watching that area. And then the daily 5 SMA is this green line you see right here. Now today there was a period of time where we battled up and down, up and down, up and down around this daily 5 SMA, ultimately kind of, closing over it into the close, and then afterwards we lost it going into the after hours. So with that being said, we're going to keep that on watch as well. So tomorrow, if we do lose today's lows, I'm going to be looking for the daily 10. If we do take out today's highs, I will look for a target into 21,571. I hope this video helps you guys. I'll see you guys all on the trading floor tomorrow.